In the last class, we had discussed about how can we prevent airborne diseases, how can we prevent waterborne diseases, and how we can prevent the diseases that spread through contact, right? These all things we discussed in the last class. I hope you had read that textbook. You had to underline the main points in that. Okay, so here today we can discuss how we can prevent the diseases spread by insects. Okay, diseases that spread by insects that we want to check it to. So, I want to get answer from Janvi. Janvi, unmute your audio and tell me, can you name some diseases that spread through insects?
Dengue.
Dengue fever, okay. Dengue fever. Then only Janvi is allowed to unmute. Okay, Janvi, tell me.
Malaria.
Malaria, okay. Dengue, then malaria, these are spread by the mosquitoes. Is there any other diseases? Okay, so
Chickenpox.
chickenpox is an airborne disease. Okay, airborne disease. So here I will explain how can we prevent the malaria, dengue, like this diseases.
Ma'am, dengue and chikungunya.
Gunia is there, chikungunya. Okay, chikungunya. It is there, not the chicken pox. Chikungunya. So these all spread through the mosquito. So how can we prevent the mosquito? How can we prevent our body from the mosquito bites? That we want to discuss today. So, okay, Srihari is ready.
Your sound is low.
Okay, okay, I will try my level best to talk in loud, but you have to wait for your network to get stable, okay? Or otherwise, you call your parent to check the volume of your device. Okay,
Ma'am,
Srihari?
your video is breaking.
Okay, my video is also breaking. Please stay with me, okay? Srihari, tell me.
Ma'am, after a mosquito bite, our skin will become itching.
Okay, we feel
That time, maybe we should put mosquito preventing ointment.
Okay, okay.
Or
should we use after the bite or before getting bite?
after.
See, that is not how we can prevent from mosquito bites. So in the shops, we will get some mosquito repellent creams. For example, Odomos. Srihari, mute your audio. Thank you for giving me a topic. Okay. So mosquito repellent creams are available in the pharmacy. So you can use it. You can just spread it on your body when you are going out or when you are going out to play. Okay, so that can prevent the mosquito bites. Manav, that can prevent the mosquito bites. One thing. And another important thing, when we sleep, we can use some nets. Okay, nets.
Mosquito net.
Mosquito nets, we can use it. Okay, so that is the simplest thing we can do it. Aryan, please mute it. Okay, so these are things we can do. And another thing, some mats are there, right? We can use it, but these all things are chemicals, so better use the natural ways. Which all are the natural ways? Use mosquito net. And another thing,
Ma'am,
don't allow what? Okay, Aditi, what you want to tell me?
ma'am, forest tulsi.
Sorry?
Forest tulsi. We can spread.
Okay. The tulasi water, okay. Juice of tulasi. That all okay.
We could also burn some herbal leaves with a good smell.
Yes, yes, that all are there, right? Sambrani, like Sambrani, so many things are there. The Shankam, the names of those Ayurvedic medicine which we can use it to fume. They are called the Shankam. These all we will get it from the shops. So evening time, we can use these all Ayurvedic products and can fume the house. So that also can prevent the mosquitoes and other insects also. Good thing. Mm. And another thing, important thing, we should keep our house and our surroundings clean. That is the most important thing. Okay. We should not allow water to store on somewhere in small pots and all you can see there, right? So if you are seeing water is getting stored, rainwater is getting stored in some small coconut shells or some toys. You just check it outside. Today after the class, just check it outside. And there may be some coconut shells or some old vessels here and there or the pots.
Ma'am, we will put the seeds in a pot that rainwater will get.
Okay, so if it is more, if the water is getting more, you can pour the water from that. Okay, and don't allow water to, don't play in the stagnant water. What do you mean by stagnant water?
Where
Muddy
the
water,
insect.
Muddy water,
Dirty
not
water,
flowing.
rainwater.
muddy water with
Water
mixed with
which is not
sand.
flowing. Understood? Water which is not flowing. It may get stored in some place. If water is flowing, the mosquitoes can't put eggs in that. Understood? If the
Ma'am.
water
Okay,
is
ma'am.
flowing, the mosquitoes can't put eggs in that.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me first, Hari.
like a small stream or something?
Okay, so small streams and all, it is okay. Uh, it is flowing, right? But you can see near your house some water is puddles of water, right?
Puddles of
So you have to put some kerosene or something in that. Don't do by yourself. Your parents will do. Okay. If the puddles are there, hey, without my permission, who all are unmuting? Felix, do it. Felix, mute it fast. So,
Yes,
if the puddles are there, the mosquitoes will put eggs, their eggs in that water. Understood? So, it will put so many eggs at a time that all eggs will turn into mosquitoes. Small baby mosquitoes.
Worms.
Okay, not larvae. From that larvae, they will become mosquitoes.
Ma'am, this mosquito.
Don't give chance to mosquitoes to lay eggs. That we can do it. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
the mosquitoes will only put the egg in the water.
yeah, that is their nature. Okay. So if
Okay.
it is flowing water, the eggs
they-
will flow to some other places.
They will also put eggs in water places with moisture and darkness.
Yes, moist. Okay, moist water. They need
Ma'am.
it. They need the moisture.
Can I say one thing?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Srihari, mute your audio. Rizza. Yes, tell me.
Nowadays there is rainy days, so in where is sand there would be very water, so the mosquitoes are
Yeah, there may be chances. So close the water tanks and all properly. Okay, so that we can prevent the other insects or mosquitoes to get into it. Hmm. That way, these all things you can do. So today itself you check it. Near your house, is there any puddles or any stagnant water is there? Yeah. Then if small coconut shells or say something is there, if is that water is storing in that, check it. If water is storing in that, you just keep it upside down. Okay, buckets, useless vessels, these all you can see it outside. Maybe you are not noting it, but
Ma'am.
first you note it. Okay, so that you can reduce the mosquitoes at your place. Will you do it? Will you do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Yes.
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
every house fridge is there, right? Refrigerator.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
See some at the back side of the refrigerator, you can see one small plastic, this one box. There, the extra water is coming and storing, right? Tell your parent to remove that water occasionally.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
nowadays,
my
rain is
father,
not.
Yes, yes.
my father will remove that
Ah,
once a month, and
one,
it
not
will never be full.
not in once in a month, once in a week you can do, so that the mosquitoes, otherwise mosquitoes will lay eggs on there also. Okay, so these all things you have to check it. And next one, not only the mosquitoes, the house flies, they also can cause diseases, typhoid, cholera. These all diseases are spread through the house flies. Okay, how can we prevent this type of diseases, or how can we prevent the house flies? So how can we prevent these house flies, or how these house flies are spreading the disease? Who can say? Raise your hand, don't unmute. Okay, Sarah, Maria. Okay, Sarah. Okay, how?
Ma'am, it will come in our food.
Okay, how it comes in our food? Are you inviting them?
No,
Then how? How it
when
comes?
we when we put the food in a table and we go anywhere, it will come and
So how
stay
can
in
you
the food.
prevent it? How can you prevent it? Think it. It will sit on your favorite food, right?
Ma'am, can
Okay.
I say?
They need to
One
eat
minute.
food.
1 minute.
Ma'am,
1 minute.
close the food when
Mute
we
your
go.
audio. Mute your audio. Okay, Zara.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. How can we prevent that sitting? Prevent from the house flies to sit on our
We
food?
should close our.
Yeah, very good. Very good suggestion. Okay, close your audio, mute it. So, we can prevent the house flies to sit on our food by closing the vessels, right? Closing the food vessels using a proper lid. Likewise, we can prevent it. Why we don't like the house flies to sit on the food? Why? What is the reason? What will
Ma'am, can I
happen?
say?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ritu,
can I
tell
say?
me, tell me.
This house flies are main part which will make us sick.
Okay, okay, 1 minute.
The germs are coming to our food when we eat. Our body parts will get very
Okay, okay, mute your
low and
audio.
they can't be
Juan,
active.
Juan Paulson, do you have something to say about it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Risa said earlier you want to say that really.
Okay, okay. Can you tell on your own sentence?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Okay.
ma'am, the house flies will sit in the food, then they will put some germs like things in the food.
See, how, from where they will get the germs to put it in our food?
They eat some food now. They eat bad food. Bad food. That food will. That food remove.
Okay, so you know this, you understood something. Okay, good. See, these house flies like the dirty places. Wherever the dirty place, whenever the dirt is there, house flies are there. Am I right? If you are not cleaning the dining table, you can see a lot of houseflies there. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. So you have to, you or your parents will clean it occasionally, right? Using some Dettol or some cleaning reagents. Huh? They can use it and they will clean this one, a table. So this house flies like the dirt. So wherever the dirt is there, the house flies will go and sit there. The germs, the dirty place contains so much germs. These germs will stick on the legs of these house flies. Understood? And when they see a favorite, your favorite food, like something special, if your mother is prepared and kept on the table, and if it is not closed, then houseflies will come and sit on it, right? And it will lick that food, and in the same time, they will shake their legs. Understood? The legs carry the germs from the dirt. So when they shake the legs, the germs will fall into the food. So if you are eating that, the germs, the
Ma'am, I saw in a video.
yeah, you have seen, right? Good.
In they look in microscope.
Microscopes, okay. We can't see these all things with using our eyes.
In a packet of chips.
Okay, okay. We can't see these all things are using our eyes. But these we can view through a powerful microscope. That is there. Okay, we can discuss that later. So, when the house flies sit on the food, it will put the germs in them. You have seen these house flies are shaking their legs, right? Have you seen it? Yeah. Why it is shaking its legs? Are they feel to itching or something? No, because on the legs of the houseflies, there are small hairs are present. On the legs of the houseflies, you can see lot of small hairs, like hairs on our hand. But these hairs of the houseflies are more sensitive. They are the sense organs of the mosquitoes. Through these hairs which are present on their legs, they can understand the environment. Whether it is hot, whether it is cold, what all it is, they can understand through the hairs. So they should clean it, right? Then only they will get the sense. So they will in between they will shake their legs to clean the hairs. You have seen some hens, some crows and all cleaning their feathers and all. In the same way, the houseflies will, in the same way, houseflies will shake their legs to clean their hairs, which are very they are using it as a sense organ. Okay, so when they shake their legs, the germs which are already
Sorry, ma'am,
there
there was a network issue.
okay, no problem, no. So that will fall on our food. So in order to avoid that one, what we want to do? We want to keep close our food.
Ma'am,
Will you do
we
it?
can prevent it using calcium carbonate powder.
Okay.
Can I ask a doubt?
Okay, calcium carbonate is not calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate. Okay.
Can I ask a doubt?
Baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda, we can use it for a soda powder. In the commonly we can say soda powder. That also we can use it for cleaning this food. Okay, not the food, the vegetable. Understood. So,
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
yes, yes, sure. Tell me.
I want to ask a doubt.
Yes, yes. Who it is? Just tell me the
Riza.
name. Okay, Riza, tell me. What is your doubt?
That houseflies' hair are called their brain.
It is not the houseflies. They are the like skin of our body. through the skin we can understand all things, right? We can
Yes, ma'am.
feel, we can. In the same way, the houseflies have the small hairs on their legs, which act as a sense organ like the skin of ourselves. Is it clear,
Okay.
Risa, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So these all measures. So first thing we have to make it sure that keep our surroundings clean. Okay, keep our surroundings clean. You also have to join your with your parent to make it sure about it. Will you do it? These all things are small, small things you can do. You can clean the dining table. You can clean your room. These all small, small things, if you are doing, your parents can keep you also safe from these all. And another thing, say, not only the mosquitoes and this houseflies, rats, that also can spread diseases, rat fever, right? It is also a dangerous disease. So that that also we can prevent it. Hmm? We should not keep the waste in open place. We have to dispose the waste properly so that rats. Felix, Felix, here we discuss how can we prevent the diseases through which are spreading through air, water, then by contact and also by the insects. Read the chapter proper. Okay, page number 18. So many things are there. So many informations are there. You will get it from that. Read it, underline it. Okay. And in the next one, these all are the diseases that spread. We discussed about the diseases that can spread from one person to another. Here, one more type of diseases are there that do not spread, that may not spread. This era, mute it, fast, fast. So, the diseases that do not spread. How can you?
Ma'am, the rat fever will spread by one
Yes,
person to
yes,
another.
yes, yes. It is a spreading disease. Okay. It is a spreading disease. Then this one, diseases that do not spread. So many types of diseases, heart problems, right? That won't spread from one person to another. So any failure in our internal organs.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, who has it?
Prithvi,
Okay, Hrithvi, tell me. Okay, what you want?
ma'am, that some allergies will spread to another person, right?
Allergy, if it allergies, mostly allergies won't spread. If there may be chances of showing the allergy to a particular object, the members of the same family. Understood? If you have some allergies with some object, there are chances of allergies to that object by your parents. Understood? Your
Ma'am,
parents.
I know an example. The chalk.
Okay, you
If
want.
anyone
Okay,
has
1 minute, Felix.
any chalk allergy,
Okay, chalk. Okay.
Ma'am, in my device, ma'am is showing very fast.
Very fast. See, listen, Felix. I think you are.
Excuse me, ma'am, in my device, ma'am is showing very fast.
Okay, I'm sure that is not my problem. That is not the problem of here. I think your voice is getting break. So you are facing some network issues. Okay, Felix, please wait to get it stable. And Hrithvi, somebody asked me, right? So
Suza.
allergies.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
the allergy is given as for a particular person. If teachers also has chalk allergy, they can't they in their eyes when chalk go,
That is
they
there.
have
That is
chalk allergy.
okay. That
There
is
is
there.
like
That is there. Okay, but no, that allergies can't spread from one person to another. That is, that person is allergic. to
Yeah,
that
I know
particular
that
object.
was I am saying
Okay.
that
So,
would not spread.
no,
For
no, no.
that
It won't spread.
example,
It won't
I
spread.
was saying an example that would not spread.
No, no. Okay, okay, okay. Example also. So allergies, most of the allergies are not spreading. Okay. So if you are in your family, if anybody is having allergies to a particular object, say some biscuits, yes. So some are showing allergies to some type of biscuits, some type of chocolates. Okay, so because some preservatives which are used in that chocolates or cookies, the person may be allergic to that particular thing. Okay. So if one is allergic to that thing, there are chances the others also allergic to that particular food. These all are not spreading, but that is a reason. Is it clear, my dear students? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes.
non-functioning of
Yes, ma'am.
internal organs, then allergies, cancer. These all are some of the examples of diseases that do not spread. Okay. Some more diseases are there that we can discuss in our next class. So, please read page number 16, 15 and 16 properly. And today also I will send some new words that you can write and study. So now the time is to wind up my class.
Ma'am, mock test.
Mock test. Okay. No, today I am not keeping any mock test. Okay. So next class onwards, I will continue. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.